Yeah, no, not even close. Yeah, kinda, kinda. But I think you're missing one step. You're supposed to do like two, like yeah, like that. No, I think you're still missing one step.
Hi everybody,
Hi everybody,
welcome to Worlds Apart Vlogs. My name is Linda,
and I'm Michael.
and today we are having a picnic, right? At Natare Gardens. Natare Gardens,
Yes,
yeah. It's past Karen, at a place called Kerarapon.
Yeah, on Kerarapon Drive, the first left side opposite Serare School.
Yeah, but I'll leave a link to the map in the description below. Yeah, it's such a pretty place, and we've come on a weekday, so there are not many people. There's the picnic area on this side and the swimming pool area on the other side.
Yeah, so that's the pool. We'll show you the picnicking area and the garden also.
Yeah, so join us.
Join us as we
Picnic.
and swim and
comment down below who you think knows how to swim better, me or Michael.
yes, I'm an Olympic champion swimmer.
So we are off to swim.
Yes, watch us dive. I'm going to do a triple thread board jump.
Oh goodness.
Dive.
Yes, he is. And then so apart from some few kids, it's only us, so you get a lot of privacy here.
Yeah.
And
they also have a swim watching.
instructor.
Swim guards.
Yeah, so if you don't know how to swim, it's okay. Playground for kids there with some seats for people to have a picnic, and then there's the pool. So we are setting up for the picnic. We have a cute little spot over here with some sun. And we got some fries and chicken, which a cat stole.
That cat.
Yeah.
While she's setting up, I'm also preparing my stomach.
Show them the meat there.
Yeah, let's show you guys the cat that stole our chicken. It's there running. Oh, but looking at it, it really needed the chicken. I think it's sick. Yeah. So lucky cat. This place is so beautiful. The environment is so pretty.